Ah, hello and welcome. I'm the awful chef, so let's make some food. Oh yeah, and I'm hungry too. So, what do we got? Well, hello. I would love a good camera. I love French fries. And the world's best way to make French fries, the world's best French fry device, is this. The Tefal Actifryer. I bought one of those when I went looking for an air fryer and got talked into that by mistake. And it was the best mistake I've ever made. There is nothing better for making French fried potatoes. The doggy chef is interested in something. If you get one of those, buy a 5-pound bag of russets, some garlic, some butter, some parsley, some Parmesan, and a case of beer. My wife and I will go through a bag of potatoes with one of those in an afternoon, not feel a thing. However, back here in the real world, we got frozen French fried potatoes. And you're thinking, oh God, what do you do with those? Because they are the embarrassment of the civilized world. However, if you adore French fries, you can take frozen French fried potatoes, because potatoes occasionally go south and get wasted in our house, which is something I truly abhor. I hate wasting food more than I hate store-brand frozen French fries. So keep these in the freezer. They don't go south. They don't rot on you. But the thing is, what do you do with them? Since all the cooking instructions are horrible. Well, what you do with these items that are very, very similar to potatoes, depending upon which brand you buy. Yes, Mr. Dog. One moment, please. I'm talking to the very nice people in YouTube land. Showing my age there. How's it life out there in TV land? So, what you do is you take your frozen French fries. We're going to need some more of those. I'm having too much fun with them. Put a little salt. You'll notice they are sitting on parchment paper. Buy some. It is the world's greatest invention. Coated with a little bit of olive oil. You'll notice how little that little bit is. Yeah. Low calorie, here we go. And throw in your magic handy dandy convection toaster oven from Costco, or the big box store, sorry. Set it up and go. And that's it. It takes a while. Those potatoes are frozen. If they weren't, it would take about half an hour, but because they're frozen, it's going to take about 45 minutes to an hour. They'll come out, they'll be crispy, wonderful, and magnificent. If you want, you can make a sauce to go with them, with ketchup, mayonnaise. Oh, Thousand Island, how revolutionary. But throw in some Magi seasoning, and you got something amazing. Throw in a shot of umami to go with that overwhelming sweetness of the ketchup and mayo. And you may have something that you'll really like. So that's it. I'm the Awful Chef. This is my tips for frozen French fries and making them into something that's actually edible, which for me was quite an amazing thing to accomplish. So thank you. This is social media. Please do the social thing and subscribe, like, share, and all of that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.